Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check if Apple iPhone is original. So before I start with the video, please subscribe to the channel and also like the video, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is open up your settings, go to General, and then click on Software Update. Now it's checking for updates. As you can see, I need to update my iPhone. But what you want to look for that it says like iOS 17.2.1, that is the newest version, and that you can basically actually download the software itself. Now the next way to do it is just go back from here, and then you want to tap on About, and here you can see your iPhone name, iOS version, model name, model number, serial number. And basically you could Google your model number and serial number to see is it a real and original iPhone. And also if you scroll down and click this certificate trust settings, you will also see this. And if you're still unsure, you can just go to your local iStyle or Apple store, give them the phone or just give them these informations, and they will check for you, is the phone stolen or is it original, is it not, and etc. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.